Android 16's live updates are here to rival iPhone's live activities, and they're coming to Wear OS smartwatches in 2026. Want real-time tracking for deliveries, rides, and more right on your phone or wrist? Stick around to see why this is huge. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for tech breakthroughs. If you're pumped for Android's next big thing, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for the latest tech scoops. Let's dive into Android 16's live updates. Android 16's live updates are stealing the spotlight, and for good reason. This feature lets you track real-time progress like deliveries, rideshares, or navigation right from your phone's home screen. While iPhone users have had live activities for a while, Google is taking it up a notch with Android 16, adding slick touch-ups to outshine the competition. Think faster and smoother updates that keep you in the loop without opening the apps. Here's where it gets even better. Live updates aren't just for phones. Google's developer update confirms they're coming to Wear OS smartwatches in 2026, bringing real-time info like ride ETAs or package tracking straight to your wrist. And it's not just for Pixel phones. Samsung, OnePlus, Vivo, Xiaomi, and even foldable devices will get in on the action. This means your Galaxy Watch or Pixel Watch will be way more useful with quick glance updates. Inspired by Apple's live activities on the Apple Watch, Google's live updates will make Wear OS devices like the Pixel Watch a productivity powerhouse. Imagine checking your delivery status without touching your phone. Android 16 and Wear OS are about to make your life way more connected in 2026. What do you want to track with live updates? Deliveries, workouts, or something else? Drop it in the comments and let's geek out. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay locked in with GadInsider.